Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of chain bracelet in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and select the exit plane. This will be the top view. Rotate. Go to the circle command and here make a circle of dia 100 mm and go to offset command. Select the circle and offset it outside at dimension 4 mm. Escape, exit from the command, double click this and type 4 once again. Okay. Now go to line command, join this profile and here also join this profile between the circles. Escape. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Now the whole profile is constrained. Exit. Now we don't want this upper profile, so go to trim both these profiles. Only we want the bottom profile or the semicircle till this line. Okay. Now finish sketch. So this will be the profile. Go to extrude it up to a distance of 20 mm at direction 1 and okay. Now go to 2D sketch once again, go to origin and select the XY plane. Now we will make the chain profile, so we will make this polygon profile. So go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go back to sketch and here we will take the polygon command. We'll make a hex profile, so we'll take a number of sides as 6, make a hex profile here. Exit. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this line and make it horizontal. Now go to vertical constraint, select this center point and select this center point, so it will be aligned vertically. Escape. Now select coincident. We want this complete hex profile inside this profile, so here select this line and select this green point. Similarly select this line and select this point, so it will be confined inside the profile. Now escape. Now go to offset command and select this polygon, offset it inside 4 mm, 4.5 mm. Escape, double click, enter, so it will show you 4.5. Now we want to cut this outer profiles, this both side, and this hex profile will be remaining. Go to line, select the line from here and select this point and select this point. Similarly we will make this side, select till this edge and this outer edge and till this edge. Okay. Escape. Now finish sketch. Take extrude command, select this outer profile and select this outer profile and select this middle profile. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now we want to cut this profile. From here you can take all, so it will cut complete profiles, only this hexagonal profile will be left and okay. Now go to 3D model, go to fillet. Here we will take a fillet radius of 1 mm, go to edge selection, select all the 6 edges, the third one, front view, rotate this side also, first, second and third, all 6 edges are selected. Now apply. Now 1 mm radius we will take once again, go to edge selection, select this face, rotate and select the back face. Okay. Similarly select This also, this face, one by one, all the edges, and here also all the edges. One by one we will select OK with radius 1 mm and apply. OK, so this will be the profile. Now we will make a cut profile to join the links. So to make a cut profile, we will construct a new plane. So go to plane, take offset from plane, and we will select the XY plane. Here we will give a distance of 125 mm. So a new plane will be generated at 125 mm from this center plane, and OK. Select this plane, go to create sketch, and here now zoom in. OK. Now go to polygon command and take polygon from here. Make one polygon profile. Go to horizontal constraint, select this edge. Go to vertical constraint, select the center point and this center point. Now go to coincident, select this line and this point, similarly this line and this point. OK, so a new polygon of same profile will be made. Now go to offset, offset this polygon inside till 4.5 mm. Escape. Double click this and OK. Now go to line command and here select this edge and select this edge, select this inner edge and select here the center point. OK. Similarly, we'll do to other side. From here, we'll select the center point of this outer edge, and from here we'll select this corner edge. OK, and escape. Now go to 3D model, extrude. We'll extrude only this inner profiles. OK, the diamond profiles like this. Go to home, flip the direction, and here we will take cut, and the distance here we will mention will be 73.5 mm. OK, so almost the half of the profile will be cut, and press OK. Similarly, we will do to other side also. So for other side, we will select XY plane and go to create sketch, and here we will take this sketch. Select this sketch 3, go to project geometry, go to home, or first switch on the visibility of sketch 3, turn on the visibility. Now go to sketch 4, go to project geometry and select the outer profiles only. One by one, go to home, you can see the outer profiles. Similarly, we'll select inner profiles, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. OK, now finish sketch. Now turn off the visibility of sketch 3. From here, turn off the visibility. Now go to sketch 4 again. OK, go to line command. This time we'll cut this profile. So select this edge, this corner edge, similarly this inner edge and this center point. OK, to make it more visible, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Similarly here also, this edge and this edge, this inner edge and this center point. OK, go to 3D model, extrude, select this diamond profile, escape. OK, now here we will first close the profile, sketch, go to line, close this profile, here also close this, similarly close this profile and this profile. Go to 3D model, extrude. Now extrude it only diamond part. OK, it is complete, selecting the complete profile. So select all the project geometries and select all of them one by one. Okay, to make them a reference geometry. Okay, we have selected all. Now go to sketch, make them construction geometry. Select this also, construction. Now go to 3D model, extrude. Now it will only select these profiles. Okay, I think this is open profile. Okay, so drag this, or you can sketch a new line till here. Escape. Now this is close profile. Go to 3D model, extrude. Now you can see it will be selected. Select this also. Here also take cut, and the cut dimension will be 51.5 mm. Okay, reverse the direction. Go to direction 1. Go to view, visual style, shaded edges. Rotate. Now you can see a cut profile will be made here, and press OK. Go to home. Now we don't want this plane one. Select this plane one. Right click. Turn off the visibility. Now go to the default. For appearance, we'll take here chrome polished. Okay. Now we'll make a pattern of this to make a chain profile. So go to circular pattern. Go to body selection, and here rotation axis. We'll select the y axis. You can see the 6 number of count. Here we take a count of 28. Okay, to make a chain profile, and press OK. So this will be the complete profile. To improve the view, go to view, switch on the shadow, and switch on the reflections. Okay, to make it more visible in proper manner. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a bracelet chain in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.